If your Fireplace Grate support bars are broken, it's a total mess because it messes with your whole fire setup and can be dangerous. So first off, you want to check if the bars are actually cracked or just loose. Sometimes they just need a good tightening. If they're broken, you definitely gotta replace them because a weak grate can cause logs to fall out or mess with airflow, making your fire burn weird or even smoke up your room. When picking new support bars, make sure they're made from heavy-duty steel or cast iron to handle the heat and weight of your firewood. Don't just grab any old bars. Measure your grate carefully so the new ones fit snug and keep everything stable. If you're handy, you can swap them out yourself with some basic tools like a wrench and gloves, but if it feels sketchy, calling a professional is the way to go. Also, cleaning your grate regularly helps prevent rust and wear that can weaken those bars over time. To keep your fireplace safe, always make sure the grate is secure before lighting up and avoid overloading it with too much wood. Finally, keep an eye out every season for any new damage so you can fix small stuff before it becomes a big problem. One of the biggest mistakes people make with Fireplace Grate support bars is ignoring early signs of damage like rust or small cracks, which only get worse and can cause the whole grate to collapse. To fix that, inspect your grate before each use and replace any weak parts right away. Another common issue is using the wrong size or type of replacement bars that don't fit well or can't handle the heat, so always go for bars specifically designed for your grate model or check exact measurements. Lastly, some folks try to weld or glue broken bars themselves without proper tools or know-how, which is risky and often doesn't last. The best fix here is getting quality parts or professional help to make sure everything stays safe and sturdy. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot for homeowners looking to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff. Plus, contractors get an easy way to connect with people needing work done without all the usual hassle.